Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a payment link on Square. So a Square payment link is useful because it lets customers pay online without needing a full website or a long invoice. You can use it for a service, product, event, donation, or a simple payment. So first, sign into your Square dashboard. On the left side, go to payments, then select payment links. So click create payment link, then choose the option that fits what you need. So for this tutorial, select take a payment. Next, add a title for the payment. Choose if the customer can enter any amount or if you want to set a fixed price. You can also add a short description, upload an image, turn tips on or off, and add extra questions if needed. So once everything is ready, click save, and then Square will create your payment link. So you can copy it, send it by email or text, or make a QR code for customers to scan and pay. And that is how you can create a payment link on Square. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.